In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter pop-up in your Dawn theme on Shopify. This feature can significantly enhance your store's engagement by capturing the attention of visitors and inviting them to sign up for your newsletter. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you need to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look for Online Store on the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you to your Themes section. Here, you will see the installed themes, and you'll want to click on the Customize button next to your Dawn theme. This opens up the theme editor where you'll make all the necessary changes. Now that you're in the theme editor, look towards the bottom left corner for the Theme Settings button. Click on it, and then go to the App Embeds section. Here, you're checking for any additional applications that might support your newsletter pop-up feature. Sometimes apps are readily available for embedding those pop-ups directly into your site's theme. Assuming you have an app like Klaviyo or a similar one that offers pop-ups, make sure you have this application installed on your Shopify store. If you haven't done so already, simply install the one you prefer from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, you can return to the theme editor to ensure your app embedding is correctly activated. After confirming everything is in its right place, you need to delve into setting up your pop-up within the app itself. This usually involves configuring when and how often the pop-up should appear, what it will look like, and what incentives you might offer your customers for signing up. Common incentives include a discount or exclusive content, which can be a strong motivator for subscriptions. When setting this up, think about timing. You might prefer the pop-up to appear after a few seconds of the user being on your site, or perhaps when they reach a specific scroll depth. Tailor this timing to your target audience's behavior for optimal results. Also, make the design appealing, and on-brand consistency in visuals will help in conveying a professional appearance. Once you've finalized your pop-up settings and its appearance, return to the Shopify admin and test it out. Simulate customer visits to ensure the pop-up appears as intended on various devices, desktop and mobile alike. This is crucial because a large percentage of online shopping is done via mobile devices today. Make any necessary adjustments and fine-tune the settings within the app until everything performs smoothly. And that's it. With your newsletter pop-up now seamlessly integrated into your Dawn theme, you should be better equipped to engage visitors and capture widespread interest effectively. Try it out, see how it affects your subscription rates, and tweak as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your Shopify store's functionality.